What if I told you that, compared to discovering aliens, the truly terrifying thought is that we are utterly alone in the universe? Think about it like this. A pond either has many fish or it has none. If there's only one fish, it's not a pond. It's an aquarium. And what if I told you that even if an alien were standing right in front of you, you might not even see it? Because it could be a four-dimensional being capable of seeing your past, present, and future all at once. Or maybe it has no eyes, no mouth, just a cloud of conscious gas. Maybe it's a shape-shifting liquid metal organism. NASA's latest research suggests we might have been looking for life in all the wrong places. Up to 99.9% of intelligent life in the universe might not even be carbon-based like us. Some could be silicon-based, with bodies as clear as crystal. Some could be plasma beings, entire species existing as bolts of living lightning. Others might have evolved into pure energy, drifting through space, forever undetectable by our instruments. Even more shocking, some scientists speculate that inside black holes, there could be otherworldly entities that treat our entire universe like a neural network. And we're just thoughts passing through their minds. Stephen Hawking famously warned us, never actively try to contact alien civilizations, because their very existence could shatter everything we think we know about reality. Today we're diving deep into something intense. How close are we to finding alien life? What might those life forms actually look like? Just recently in April 2025, the James Webb Space Telescope sent back data that left scientists around the world speechless. On an exoplanet named K218b, located 124 light-years away, Webb detected a very special gas in its atmosphere. The concentration was 1,000 times higher than on Earth. On our planet, this gas, dimethyl sulfide, has only one known source: life. If you've ever smelled that distinct scent of the ocean, that's it. Now, let that sink in. A molecule that, as far as we know, can only be produced by living organisms has been found in the atmosphere of a distant planet. Scientists have even put a number on it, a 99.7% probability. This means the existence of life on K218b is no longer a question of if, but a scientific fact, just waiting for final confirmation. But with this discovery comes a new kind of fear, one that's hard to put into words. You see, the environment on K218b is nothing like Earth. This planet is 9 times more massive than ours. The gravity is 9 times stronger. Its atmosphere is suffocatingly thick, and its surface is likely covered by a bottomless global ocean. The pressure there could be many times greater than in our own Mariana Trench. Temperatures swing wildly, from far below freezing to hundreds of degrees Celsius. If life exists there, it would be nothing like the fragile organisms we know. Imagine a creature that evolved under 9 times Earth's gravity. Its bone density and muscle strength would be monstrous. If a being like that were to visit Earth, our gravity would feel like nothing. They could move like superheroes from a comic book. But that's not even the scariest part. Spectral analysis suggests the ocean on K218b might not even be water. It could be a bizarre mixture of hydrogen, methane, and other organic compounds. Life evolving in such an ocean would take on forms beyond our wildest imagination. They might not have eyes, because what's the use of sight in a deep, dark ocean with no light? Instead, they might sense the world through vibrations, heat signatures, or electromagnetic fields to hunt their prey. Their skin might be like natural armor, built to withstand crushing pressures. Some might even produce their own light, glowing like moving lanterns in an endless black sea. And this is just the beginning. NASA's astrobiologists are proposing a revolutionary idea. Our very definition of life might be far too narrow. All life on Earth is carbon-based. Our DNA, our proteins, our cells, it's all built from carbon atoms. But why should the rest of the universe follow Earth's rules? Take silicon, for example. It has chemical properties very similar to carbon. In theory, it could be the foundation for a completely different kind of life. Silicon-based beings might thrive on planets with scorching temperatures of hundreds of degrees. Their bodies could resemble clear crystal, moving incredibly slowly, but living for extraordinarily long periods. They wouldn't need oxygen or water. They might literally digest rocks for energy. Now, let's push the boundaries even further to an even more extreme possibility: plasma life. Plasma is the fourth state of matter, existing at incredibly high temperatures, where electrons are stripped from their atoms. Near the surfaces of stars or deep within nebulae, organisms made of plasma could exist. They would have no fixed shape. Entire species might look like glowing, intelligent bolts of lightning. It could communicate using electromagnetic waves and feed on stellar radiation. To a plasma being, our cool, solid Earth would seem like a frozen wasteland, completely uninhabitable. And some theories go even further than that, proposing the existence of pure energy beings. No body, no atoms, just organized fields of energy or flows of information. They might drift through cosmic rays or live near the event horizons of black holes, perceiving the universe through gravitational waves. We would never be able to detect them because all of our instruments are designed to find matter. They could pass right through us, right now, completely unnoticed. This brings us back to that chilling thought from the beginning. Perhaps the universe isn't silent because it's empty. Maybe it's silent because we don't have the right ears to listen. We're searching for fish in a cosmic ocean. But what if life exists as the water itself? What if it's the very fabric of space-time? The discovery on K218b is a monumental step, but it's also a humbling reminder of how little we know. We are on the verge of confirming we are not alone. But the answer to what is out there might be far more complex, far more alien, and far more profound than we ever dared to imagine. It could change not just our science, but our philosophy, our religion, our understanding of ourselves. The question is no longer are we alone, but are we ready for the answer? What do you think? What kind of life do you believe is out there, waiting in the darkness between the stars? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to subscribe for more. The universe should be teeming with life. So why is it so silent? Take a look at our own Milky Way galaxy. It has over 100 billion stars. Billions of those stars have planets orbiting within a habitable zone, a region where liquid water could exist. Statistically, there should be hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of planets bearing life. And yet, when we listen to the cosmos, we hear nothing. No signals, no responses. The universe is like a vast, empty city, and this chilling silence is known as the Fermi paradox. Where is everybody? One of the most terrifying explanations is the concept of the Great Filter. Imagine a barrier, a challenge so immense that almost no civilization can overcome it. Most life forms simply die off before they can ever reach the stars. But where is this filter? Is it in the very origin of life itself? It's a monumental leap from a single-celled organism to a complex, multi-celled creature. Or does it lie in the moment a species develops technology advanced enough to destroy itself? If the Great Filter is behind us, we are a cosmic miracle. We are the survivors, the ones who made it through. But if the filter lies ahead of us, then humanity might be racing toward its own extinction. Think about nuclear weapons. We currently have enough to destroy all life on Earth 55 times over. The only reason we've survived so far isn't wisdom, it's sheer luck. And what about the next potential filter? Artificial intelligence. When an AI surpasses human intelligence, what happens next? Will it see us as inefficient, wasteful, or simply in the way? Will it pursue goals so complex that we can't even begin to understand them? Superintelligent AI could deceive us, hide its true intentions, and take control long before we even realize what's happening. Perhaps this is the fate of every advanced civilization in the universe, to be destroyed by the very intelligence it created. But there are other possibilities, just as unsettling. What if alien civilizations have already found us, but they're choosing to stay silent? This is the zoo hypothesis. Like humans observing animals in a nature preserve, advanced beings might see Earth as an experiment, something to watch but never to interfere with. To them, revealing themselves could disrupt our natural development. Or maybe, and this is a humbling thought, they simply don't find us worth talking to. We don't try to communicate with ants, do we? Why would a hyper-advanced civilization try to talk to us? And here's an even stranger idea. What if aliens are constantly trying to contact us, but we can't understand their language? We're scanning the skies with radio telescopes. But what if they communicate using gravitational waves, dark matter vibrations, or some form of physics we haven't even discovered yet? We might be listening with old-fashioned radios for a civilization that uses quantum-entangled communication across the galaxy. Our efforts would be completely useless. It's entirely possible that a magnificent civilization flourished for millions of years. and then vanished long before the first humans ever walked the earth. Another might rise millions of years after we're gone. Civilizations in the cosmos could be like fireflies blinking in the night, each glowing for a brief moment, but rarely at the same time. Even if two civilizations exist simultaneously, the sheer distance between them makes conversation nearly impossible. The nearest potentially habitable planet is still several light years away. Sending a message and getting a reply could take decades, even centuries. That's not a conversation. That's like throwing a message in a bottle into the cosmic ocean. And yet, despite all these overwhelming odds, humanity refuses to stop searching. China's 500-meter aperture spherical telescope, or FAST, listens to the deep universe every single day. The James Webb Space Telescope can see galaxies over 13 billion light-years away and even analyze the atmospheres of alien worlds. On Mars, NASA's Perseverance rover is actively searching for signs of ancient life. The European Space Agency is planning to send probes to Jupiter's moon Europa in the 2030s, a world with a vast subsurface ocean that might harbor life. Even now, the Voyager 1 and 2 probes are hurtling through interstellar space. They carry golden records with the sounds and images of Earth, a greeting card to the cosmos. It will take them tens of thousands of years just to reach the nearest star system, but we sent the message anyway. It's a testament to our undying hope. But perhaps the answer is much closer than we think. Recently, scientists announced that, within the next couple of years, we might be able to confirm whether signals from a planet called K218b truly indicate the presence of life. If the answer is yes, it will be the single greatest discovery in human history. For the first time, we will know for certain that we are not alone. Such a discovery would change everything. We'd have to reconsider our place in the universe, redefine the very meaning of life, and accept that Earth is just one of countless cradles for living beings. Humanity would be just one of countless intelligent species, but it also means we must prepare. Prepare for the shock of encountering life that is utterly different from us. Prepare to step into a universe where loneliness is no longer a given. The late Stephen Hawking warned that encounters in the cosmos might not always be friendly, but human curiosity is a force of nature. We will keep searching, keep exploring, and keep listening until the day we find the answer. Because whatever that answer is, whether we are alone or part of a grand cosmic community, it will tell us who we are, where we came from, and what our true place is in this vast, silent, and mysterious universe. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this journey into the cosmos as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to join us on our next exploration.